Oh hey, I was just checking for a TPMS valve in that spare tire to make sure that there wasn't one in there. Why, you ask? Well, because this vehicle came in and it's got one sensor that's got a low battery and we're replacing all 4 tires. So I get asked a lot at this time, should we go ahead and do all 4 sensors? The answer is yes, because think about it. The other ones have been in service for that long as well, and if you got one going, the other ones are probably gonna follow as well. And right now is a good time to do it. When you have all 4 tires off, you're gonna have that labor kind of discounted a little bit for the customer if you do them all at the same time.
What is the difference between direct and indirect TPMS? Direct TPMS uses a sensor in the wheel that sends a radio signal to the vehicle to report the exact pressure in the tire. Indirect TPMS calculates tire pressure based on wheel speed and gets that wheel speed from ABS sensors.
So how do you wake up a TPMS sensor? Well, if you really think about it, if a TPMS sensor was always transmitting, it might last only a year on a vehicle, but it actually goes to sleep when the vehicle is not moving. So how do you wake up a sensor? The first part, well, movement. This thing has an accelerometer in it, and it senses the movement and starts to transmit. The other way to get it to transmit is a sudden loss of inflation. You could push in the Schrader valve, let some of the air out over 10 or 20 seconds, and it should cause this to transmit. Also, you can use the scan tool or your TPMS tool and wake it up with this. This is typically a 125 hertz signal that excites the antenna and causes it to transmit. So to wake up a sensor, well, you could shake it, you can cause a sudden loss of inflation, or you can use the tool.
So what am I doing? Unfortunately, wasting time because I didn't update my TPMS tool. And unfortunately, 35% of technicians haven't done it in the past year either, which means I have to wait for the new software so I can work on the vehicle that just showed up on my shop. Make sure you check it at least once a month so you don't do what I'm doing right now.